Good morning, children. How are you? Welcome to the online class, children. Do you saw our previous video regarding glossary part? We have discussed that is all these large numbers. In unit 1, large numbers, we have discussed number, numeral, numeration, natural numbers, whole numbers, place value, successor and predecessor. So children, it's time to do the problems today. Simply to say some activities. So here it is revision exercise. Revision exercise. It is in page number 51, children. So first Roman is write the following numerals in words. So whatever here they are all called as numerals. So we have to express them in the word form. If we express any kind of numeral in the word form, what we call it as, children? We call it as numeration. We discussed it. So right now we'll express in the word form, children. It is Roman number 1. Write the following numerals in words. So here it is first numeral 4,76,649. So children, if you know place value system, you can do it very easily, children. First of all, whatever the numeral they given, you have to count all the digits, children. So after comma there are 2 digits, after comma there are 3 digits. So children, there is a period representation in the place value system. This is all we called as period. That is first period, children. That is first period. And this 76 belongs to the second period. This is one period. And this 4 belongs to third period. It may have 2 digits or it may have 1 digit. Probably the second period also may have 2 digits or 1 digit. But first period should consist all the 3 digits, children. So this place, whatever the 9 is there, that place we call it as a ones place. Ones. This fourth place is called as tens, and sixth place is called as hundreds. Hundreds place. 6 into 100, 600, children. Plus 4 into tens. How much, children? 4 tens are 40. Next, in the place of ones, the value is 9. So 9 into 1, 9, children. If you add all these, you will get 649. That is nothing but this. After this, in the second period, there are 2 digits. So the value in the thousands place is 6. So 6 into 1000, we first write it as 1000. Okay, children, thousands place. This is 10,000s. 10,000s. And this 4 belongs to lakhs place. Lakh, 4 lakh. 4 into lakh, nothing but 1 lakh now. 4 into 1 lakh, 4 lakhs. Next, 7 into 10,000, it comes as 70,000. Next, children, 6 into 1000, 6 into 1000, 6,000. Then add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 7 directly. So 76,000. Okay, children, in the place of these 3 zeros, you keep the value 649. Substitute that. Then you will get as 76,649. Previous is 4. So you got the whole. Means you should have a clear idea about the periods and place value system. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, and it may extend to 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. In our Indian place value system, except this period, all the other periods has two digits. For suppose this is 6 and this is 7, this is a two digit, it's thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Except the first period, all the other periods contains two digits. But coming to the foreign place value system, we can say international place value system, there will be three digits, children. In each and every period there will be three digits. Okay children, we'll discuss it in other class, children, but we'll see the numerals expressing in the word right now. We'll express it, children. So 4,76,640. This is our numeral. Right now we want to express it. So I already said that this 4 belongs to the lakhs place. So 4 into lakh, 1 lakh, nothing but 4 lakh more. So write directly 4 lakh. Next, this 7 belongs to 10,000s place. You should come from left, children. From the left extreme onwards, you should come to the right side. So this 4 completed. Next, 7 is in the place of 10,000s. 7 into 10,000, it is 70,000. I said already. And in the place of thousands, the value is 6. 6 into 1,000, 6,000. When you combine, you will get 76,000. Right now, express a whole in the odd form. That is 76,000. 76,000. Next, 6. 6 is in the place of hundreds. 6 into 100, 600. 600. Next, in the place of tens, in the place of tens, the value is 4, children. 4 into 10, 40. 600. And in the place of ones, the value is 9. No, 9 into 1, 9. So 49, children. So children, you may write like this, children. When you want to convert the numeral into word, some children or some people want to include and. We can also include and, children, no problem. 4,76,649. You may include or not. It is not mandatory, children. You may. Okay, children. One more problem regarding this we'll see. That is fifth one. I am saying the last one. So first, write the periods. Nothing but place value chart. No, ones, tens, hundreds. When you are writing place value system, children, it should start from right. Remember, children, when you are expressing any number in the place value chart, you should start from right side onwards only. But when you are converting the numeral into word, then you have to start from the left extreme. Understand, children? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. This is a 6-digit number. I already said that large numbers means you are learning 6-digit numbers, 7, 8, 9-digit numbers, and number of tasks means problems, subtraction, addition, multiplication, and successor and predecessor. You may do all these kind of activities by this 6, 7, 8, 9-digit numbers only. So we'll start from the left extreme or from the right. We have to start from the left extreme. That is 8 into 1 lakh, 8 lakh. 8 lakh. Next, in the place of 10,000s, the value is 8, na children. So 8 into 10,000, 80,000. So children, before writing, you have to keep aside like this 10,000s place aside and 1,000s place aside. You should not write 8, 10,000s, 9,000s like that. By combining only, you will get the entire thousands value. So you have to write aside Then 9 into thousands, 9,000. 9,000. When we add, you will get the 89,000 as the value. So right now it is 89,000. 89,000. And in the place of hundreds, the value is 9 now. 9 into 100, 900. You can write it is directly 900. 900. And in the place of tens, the value is 9. 9 into tens, 90. 90. And in ones place, the value is 9 now. Directly write 9. So 8,89,999. You may include and or it is no need of course. So children, follow this all. I have already given the notes in yesterday. So write all that and practice children, remaining all that. We'll discuss next further Romans in the next class. Thank you.